So I decided to take the Trafficator panel off of the A30, the original one. I know it gets confusing, we've got 3 of them now. I took this off, and in the past, look at the newspaper, someone's stuffed newspaper in the hole and filled it to take the Trafficators out of it. So I want to put the Trafficators back in. So the first question is there a date on this newspaper so I can see when this was converted to indicators? Because this A30, when it was made, obviously would have had Trafficators, and someone's put indicators on it. The other side is the same. There's the wire for the Trafficator, and it's got newspaper in here where someone's filled it. So I'm going to scrape all that out and replace this with Trafficators. So this A30 has actually got indicators now. It was a common upgrade. Now on the outside, it's filler. See the filler? So I'm going to knock all that out, get true Trafficators, and get this back how it was. How interesting is that? I wonder what date is on that paper. Just pulled out some of the paper that was stuffing up the Trafficator hole. Got a reference to the Vietnam War. So a date on this piece of paper. Let's see if we can find the Daily Telegraph. The Daily Telegraph, see that there? There it is. There's the date, 1969. August looks like the 13th. It's a tear right over the second digit. Could be an 18, but August 1969. How about that, eh? So that's been in there since 1969.